Hello guys, what's up, another day, another vlog. Welcome to our daily vlog. Not daily vlog. So, hi, say hello.
Hi, hello.
Hi. So, we're going out today. Supposed to be, we should have a house viewing yesterday, but unfortunately, they have canceled it. Sayang na kasi we really like that house. Sa pictures pa lang we like it, pero I think it's not for us because someone has made an offer and unfortunately they have take the opportunity. So right now for today we're going out. We're gonna go and see some house, some ano man tagdan sa IKEA. Yung mga gamit sa IKEA ba? Ganon. Titingin kami. And we'll be going for what?
For what?
It's our anniversary for today.
Eating out.
So we're gonna go out today.
No big plans.
No big plans, no travel for this anniversary because our
Main goal
for this year is to have our own house sorted out. And so kaya ngayon for today we're just gonna go out and have some lunch outside, then go to IKEA, check some things that we can purchase in the future for our future house. So next few vlogs may mga house viewings tayo. So today come with us on our date and we're gonna go for
what?
We're gonna go to IKEA. So what? So bye.
Bye.
Sige na, bye na guys. Nahirapan ako mag-English, okay na. Dumudugo na ang ilong ko. Di ba? Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Ano masasabi mo? Where are we?
Well, we're at Leeds. Tama ba?
Leeds, yeah. Yes guys, dito kami sa Leeds fine dining restaurant. Minsan lang once a year. No?
Once a year.
Baka tikiman lang ng medium rare.
Makatikiman ng medium rare once a year.
Yung may dugo-dugo. So yun. Hintay na lang kami ng ano.
Hindi puros Jollibee.
Yeah. Kasi pag nag-leads kami, usually Jollibee ang pinakain namin. So ngayon, may iba naman. Medium rare, na steak, gano'n. So waiting na lang kami sa pangalan na ito, sa dessert. Parang isang oras na kami kumakain actually. Busog na.
Isang oras ba? 2 oras na tayo dito.
2 oras na ba? Yeah. Grabe, sobrang busog na namin.
Kasi tagal mag-antay. Inuto muna kami, bibigay pa tayo.
Kaya nga. So sige, mamaya na ulit guys.
Mamaya na ulit.
Bye. What's up? Hey guys, tapos na kami kumain. Ngayon ay pupunta kami sa IKEA. Pero magtitingin muna kami sa TK Maxx, which is like shopping center. Department store nila, no? So ayan, grabe. Maaraw, pero grabe malamig.
It's already
around 4 o'clock na. Grabe, nabusog kami ron sa nakatulog nga kami sa biyahe actually. Grabe. Ganito yung shoppingan dito guys. Yung shoppingan dito is it's by store, hindi yung like SM na isang building tapos lahat ng stores nasa loob. Dito by siya yan, TK Maxx, by brand. Yan, sige, tara, shopping. Tingin.
Picturean mo pa?
Ay.
Picturean mo pa?
Bibili na naman. Wait, ako rin pala meron. Happy.
Wala na naman. Gastos naman ang mag-isawa.
Happy.
Sabi mo na bibili.
So guys, bibili kami ng sapatos. Ano to? Under Armour. Under Armour Flow. It's very good.
Okay lang ba yan?
Okay to. Ang price niya before is 140 pounds. 50 na lang. So bibili kami dahil nag-gym na kami. Partner talaga kami, di ba? Happy.
Natipid. Kailangan ko na magsapatos.
Hirap siya magsapatos kasi naka-boots siya. Ito yung aking sapatos. Papalit ko na. Bye-bye, Jordan. Jordan yan, oh. Bye-bye, Jordan. Hello, Under Armour. Diba? Diba guys? Napabili na naman kami. Ano to? Hindi namin makakalimutan to. Anniversary. Bumili ng couple shoes na pang running.
Yan na lang yung ano nun eh.
Ito na lang muna ang aming ano, pinagkagastosan. Kaysa mag-travel, ito na muna. Para medyo makatipid. Sige na. May na guys. Baka maiwan na ako nito. Ito na, suot ko na to.
Wala ka dyan.
What's up? Sabi di daw gagastos. Dapat window shopping lang.
Parang nag-ano din tayo.
Window shopping lang daw. Yes. Yan, may dalawang sapatos. May damit. Actually, ngayon na lang ulit kami nag-shopping na ganito.
Ano ka?
Ngayon na lang ulit kasi anniversary naman. Kaya pagbigyan na.
Bumili kami couple
Couple shoes.
Kasi sakto.
Sakto kasi yung sukat. So
Sakto
ngayon,
may ano.
so ngayon,
Parehas tayo.
Oo. Pareho ng design, almost pareho. Ngayon pupunta na kami sa IKEA. IKEA entrance. Ready ka na?
Ready na. Mag-shopping.
Ready na maglakad-lakad sa IKEA. Sige guys, mamaya na ulit. Ayan na guys. Start na siya.
Ito na rin nagdi-DIY na ako.
Ayan, inisip niya. Sa isip niya, nagdi-DIY na yan ng itsura ng bahay
Kasi
na bibila
nakikita
namin.
ko may dami ng
Yung decorations yan.
Ayan.
Ayan pa.
Nagko-compute na
Ito,
ako.
bibili tayo ng
Ang ganda
ganyan.
nito.
Malaki yan.
Ganda.
Teka, titignan ko kung pogi ako dyan. Sige, pwede na. Not bad.
Kasi mura lang.
Ang dami oh.
4 na piraso.
Ready na siya.
So, mga magkano yan.
Dito.
Nag-iisip ka ng ano no?
Isip na. Isip na. Oh, may libreng labubu.
Labod yan, labod.
So, she's checking the kitchen again. Checking the kitchen design.
So this one is cheaper.
2,664. Fully furnished home for less than 5,600. So, okay. Here, 2,300. And then plus installment, they're gonna install 1,065.
Pag tayo, makakalas tayo.
Of course,
Kasi, ano yan?
we will be the one to install, but
We'll just follow the instruction. Usually, may mga ano naman yan eh. Instruction.
but it's nice, oh. It's cozy. You like it? You like it like that? What's inside?
Have you thought
You can
about
do it
designing
yourself,
your dream
sabi naman.
wardrobe? Got big ideas but not the time? Why not use our free appointment booking tool on the website or speak to a co-worker in store today? Choose a date, choose a time, and let
What's
our
inside?
expert planners do the rest. We look forward
Oh,
to
nice.
seeing you back in store to have your dream storage
And then
sorted.
soft closing siya if ever. Oh. Nice. Yun, soft
Ganda yung
closing.
ganun, para sa mga malaking kawali.
Ganda.
Ang ganda.
Ganda.
So, sige natin pagkano.
It's nice here in IKEA Leeds. Today is Tuesday, no? Oh, Wednesday. And there's not much of people. I can't believe that it's only us right now, no? Nothing much.
Kasi anong oras na?
Today is around, it's around 5:30 PM na. Wala masyadong tao and it's only us actually, which is nice. So, this is a nice time to check. we're checking some sofas right now, some chairs. Yan. So, like this chair, it's around 550 now. Itong klaseng chair na to, 550. It's quite expensive actually. Honestly, we don't recommend buying here at IKEA because it's quite pricey. Pero I can say naman the quality is good and also yung design is quite okay. Simple. This one, like this sofa. This sofa is around 629 pounds. This is 850 yung sofa. You like this?
I like this one.
Cozy, no? Cozy and relaxing.
Maybe we can do this wall.
Which kind of wall? Okay. Triangle. How about this window? Hi. It's nice. Ganda rin gantong this kind of kitchen, no? Parang napaka formal and elegant looking kasi yung color niya is wood and black in combination. Elegant looking. I think this one soft closure yan, nice.
Parang maganda yung ganito, no? May
open space.
Pwede kang mag-ano dito.
How much is this?
Pwede kang magbasa dito ng
3453. If they're gonna install 1,850. Why is this yung installation depending on the size of the
siguro.
We'll see. If we won the lottery, we're gonna set it up according to the IKEA. Not today, hopefully so. But it's nice, no?
I like this.
I like it. Integrated fridge. No. You can open it. This one here. Here.
Okay. So it's not included. Sometimes.
How about this one? What's this? Oh, another space there. Okay. Happy? May for grilling.
Yeah. So nice.
Hi.
Hello.
Ay, dito saan tayo? Where are we? We're still at IKEA.
Pagod na ako maglakad.
Gutom na naman. Gutom. Ito pang lang to, studio unit lang to. Maliit siya na space, pero maganda. It's really nice. Designs dito. It's really nice naman actually. You can copy the designs, no? Or you can just buy their things then set it up by yourself. Pero yun.
Dapat maano ka lang sa navigation.
Oo. Upo muna.
Maganda yung ganito.
How much is that? 480. 480, oh. My God. 480. Comfy.
Yeah. Maganda din pala yung ganyan na set up ng bed.
No. Look at the bed. Ganda. Gandang idea yan, May.
Mas matibay pa yung ganyan.
Oh. It's nice.
Where I buy a mattress.
I like it.
Parang kahit di ka na bumili ng bed frame.
Oo nga.
No? Nasa ilaw.
You found another idea, no? Sige.
Sukatin na lang natin.
Pang naman to pang couple siya Queen size?
Hindi ata yung queen size.
Queen size?
Double siguro yan.
Ewan natin. I don't know. Kasi yung sa atin is king size no? So, we're just gonna roam around and check whatever we can. Right. Hi, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Hi ka naman dito.
Ngayon ko dyan.
Dito ka na dali. Hi ka lang. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to our vlog.
Parang daming bag no? Sabi oh, lagay ng alahas.
Parang ang dami mong alahas ah.
Wala naman. Diba? Parang part ibang hilas sila.
Grabe, yayamanin. Magkano na lahat ng nagkagastusin natin sa isip natin?
Wala na pambili ng bahay.
Thousands and thousands na. Hi. Akala ko mosquito net.
Dito ka sa kitchen area, pang mosquito nga.
So, kunin natin to. Favorite place na tong kitchen eh.
Favorite mo magkoy-koy?
Okay. Para saan to?
Pangtanggal ng kalyo.
Pangtanggal ng kalyos sa paa.
Kaya feeling ko mas mag-e-effecto kaysa yung pinili. Kasi ito mas malaking butas.
Pag natanggal mo yung kalyo, cheese na yun. Grated cheese.
Ano ba?
Ito yung favorite space niya yun, kitchen. Yan. Favorite niya yan. May bago na naman siya nakita. Yan. Yan, ang ganda niya na. Lagay mo na ng toyo suka.
Kasi pangit ko lang.
Kuha ka na.
Ganda na ito.
Gahiya pa siya.
Ang dami na naman tayong bibit-bit.
Ano pa?
Kung maglilipat tayo. Aba,
yan.
excited maglipat. Meron pala dito naghanap-hanap pa tayo dati ng mahal-mahal.
Maganda yan ah.
Pang saan? Gusto mo yun? Gusto ko kutsilyo ulit.
Tara, bili tayo kutsilyo. Uy. Ano yan? Spread.
Lingonberry.
Lingonberry. Anong lasa niyan?
Lasang
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Nakuha ka? Magkano yan? 245 lang oh. Hi. Where are we? IKEA. We're still at IKEA Leeds. It's time to eat. Dahil we're still full. Yan lang muna. Coffee and blackcurrant dito. Ito masarap yan. Masarap. Guys, kain muna kami. Bye-bye. Later ulit. What's up? Hello guys. Inabot na kami ng gabi. It's almost 8:30 in the evening. And we're still here. Ito guys. All of the shops are closed. Unlike sa Philippines na SM na everything is inside the SM. Ito all of the stores, they have their own separate stores basically. Yan. And then yan, very malaki yan, malaking area, puro stores. Kami naglalakad.
Kami uwi na.
And we're going home. We're gonna wait for the bus because we don't have car yet. Hopefully in the future we're gonna have the car. So ngayon, we're just gonna commute. We're gonna commute.
We're gonna use
the public transport.
Take the public transport.
So it was a fun, healthy day.
Healthy day.
We keep on eating. It's our anniversary, and we just keep on eating.
Coming soon.
We just keep on eating the whole day, and wander around IKEA, and canvas everything that we think we'll need if we're gonna have our new home.
This one, see?
We're gonna see. So we didn't go there. So what do you think? How much?
Furniture.
We've been computing our expenses for the future, and roughly we'll need a big amount. So click like and subscribe so that we'll be able to fund our house, future home. I'm just kidding, but syempre, click like and subscribe for our future videos as we go along this UK journey. Right?
That's it.
That's it. So,
Till our next vlog.
till our next vlog, we're gonna continue our UK house hunting. And hunting is suddenly open.
It's all open.
Speaking of hunting, it's suddenly
It's
open.
like nobody's
Maybe the staffs are still inside.
can always take anything inside. Because there's no stuff.
So that's it, guys. Till next vlog, we're gonna go home, and for sure we're gonna sleep well tonight because we're very full,
And
tired as well. And yeah, happy anniversary, Mrs.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye. Till next vlog. Quick like and subscribe. Bye. Mamas, papas, next home, next dreams. Beds, kitchens, DFS. Hi.
Hi. Hiya.
Hiya. Happy. Let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah. That's it for the day.
Yeah.
Till the next vlog. Grabe. Grabe, guys. Ang lamig. Pero hindi ganun kasing lamig. Sige na. Bye-bye na, guys. Kami na lang nandito. Sarado na lahat dito. Nagko-close talaga sila ng ano.
Sila may ano sila. Sasakyan sila.
May sasakyan sila, kami wala eh.
Tapos nandito kami sa lansangan.
Kaya nga eh.
Lansangan?
So most of the stores here, nagko-close sila talaga ng 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Oo. 8 p.m. yata. Oh. IKEA closes at 9. Ayan. Kaya it's time to go home na.
Pero sa city center, mga around 6, no?
Oo, city center around 6. That is the usual time. Unlike sa Philippines, Singapore, malls closes at 10 p.m. which we really miss, no? Yun yung nakakamiss doon eh.
The earliest nga is 5.
Oo. Kaya, yun. Kaya after 6 p.m., nothing much to do here.
Yeah.
Yun, yung mga resto na lang sometimes, coffee shops, and then tsaka yung ano, mga clubs, bars, ganun. Pub. They call it pub. Yun na lang yung open dito. Kaya, ay, nothing much to do. Let's go home na. Bye-bye na talaga.